Imagine a world where your passport isn't just a gateway to new cultures, cuisines, and experiences, but also a ledger of your environmental impact. What if each journey you take, each mile you travel, was accounted for in terms of carbon emissions? Welcome to the concept of carbon passports, a proposed solution to the climate crisis that is as intriguing as it is controversial. In the summer of 2023, international tourist arrivals bounced back to 84% of what they were before the world was hit by a pandemic. Some European countries even surpassed their pre-pandemic tourism levels. But this resurgence in travel has raised eyebrows and concerns about the environmental and social consequences. Here's a fact that might surprise you. The tourism sector generates around 1/10 of the greenhouse gas emissions driving the climate crisis. The summer of 2023 was also a season of record-breaking heat waves and extreme weather events, stark reminders of the increasing urgency to address climate change. This is where the concept of carbon passports comes in. Proposed by Intrepid Travel, these passports assign travelers a yearly carbon allowance, effectively rationing travel based on environmental impact. To give you some perspective, the average annual carbon footprint in the US is 16 tons, while the figure recommended by the Paris Agreement is under 2 tons by 2050. Carbon passports, according to Intrepid Travel, could be a reality by 2040. And it seems the world is inching towards this reality, with laws and restrictions already changing travel habits. Belgium and France, for instance, have implemented measures to reduce air travel, such as increased taxes and bans on short-haul flights. Spain and Germany are expected to follow suit. And it's not just air travel under the lens. The cruise industry, which emits 4 times as many sulfuric gases as all of Europe's cars combined, is also facing actions. Climate change will inevitably reshape our travel destinations. Traditional beach destinations might lose their allure due to rising temperatures. Overcrowding and pollution have already led to destinations calling for limits on tourist numbers. So as we navigate this new world, it's worth pondering over our own carbon footprints. Are we mindful of the impact our wanderlust has on the planet? And how can we, as individuals, reduce it? The future of travel might look very different from what we're used to. But perhaps with the right measures in place, we can ensure that our love for exploration doesn't come at the cost of the very world we're so eager to see. The journey towards sustainable travel is a long one, and carbon passports might just be one of the tickets to getting there.